Here's an exciting new product for router tables from Keen Products, the dust router. Using routers is a messy job, especially when doing high volume work on a router table. Let's take a look at the huge amounts of sawdust generated by routers hooked up to router tables. Lots of sawdust in the air, which is not good for the lungs or nasal passages. Sawdust is a carcinogen. Also, sawdust drops into the router motor, making motor burnout a real issue. Sawdust flies all over, coating the router table surface, the cabinets, the floor, and virtually everything else in the workshop, making cleanup a long and tedious process. The dust router is a great new product because it captures over 95% of all the sawdust coming off the top and from the bottom of router tables. Let's check it out. See how it does with a dado cup. Notice the difference. Just a little sawdust on the table surface and no dust coming out of the bottom even when doing a dado cut. The dust router captures over 95% of the dust. Surface dust is picked up through the vacuum connection on the table fence, while the dust going downward is captured and sucked out by the vacuum connection attached to the unique silicon dust cup which sits in the router cavity. Since the silicon dust cup is flexible, cutting tool installation, removal, or adjustment is very easy and does not require removal of the dust cup. The T-connector connects the fence hose and the cup hose to either a shop vac or a dust collection system. The dust router will fit all router tables and routers and never needs to be removed to change router bits. The dust router kit includes everything you will need to install the dust router system. Vacuum hoses with screw-on fittings, a mounting template and a mounting plate, a T-connector, and the flexible silicon dust cup. Considering the great job that it does, it is very inexpensive. So, if you have a router table, this accessory is a must. The patent-pending dust router was developed and is distributed by Keen Products, LLC. Check it out at www.dustcut.com.